Hey, what's up guys? It's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right guys, today we're going to bring you a really cool house in the Midway Hollow neighborhood of Dallas, Texas. Midway Hollow is really close to some of our favorite private schools such as Ursiline and what other ones?
St. Mark's.
St. Mark's, some of those, but there's ESDs right around the corner as well. Also, we're only 10 minutes from Love Field Airport and 20 minutes from downtown Dallas. But Sheila, give us more specs on this one.
Yes, this is built in 2023. It's a 5-bedroom, 4 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 4,074 square feet. It's currently listed at $1,949,000, which is $478 price per square foot. And it's sitting on a 0.49 acre lot, which is roughly 21,000 square feet.
Fantastic, Sheila. Thank you so much for sharing that information. Remember, guys, if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area, and you're looking to specifically of a higher end luxury home, you want to partner with some true luxury agents, experienced agents, over 10 years experience. We work with the #1 luxury broker in town, and you get 2 agents instead of 1. All you need to do is hit us up. Anyways, but let's go check out this property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property, and if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Hey, perhaps you're interested in selling your house for top dollar in today's market. Well, we can help you with all your seller or buyer needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.